Welcome to the Mindset Minis, a bite-sized series that's all about empowering you, the creative entrepreneur, with the mindset to succeed. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your business, my goal is for this to be a source of inspiration, tips, and real-world strategies. In case we haven't met yet, my name is Mandy, and as the owner of multiple six-figure businesses, including Etsy print-on-demand shops, my goal is to provide you with strategies to simplify the journey and scale your business faster so that you can stop the overwhelm, start making progress, and thrive with your print-on-demand business. Each episode in this series is intended to be a bite-sized gem packed with insights and actionable advice tailored specifically for the dynamic world of an Etsy print-on-demand business. I know your time is precious, so I'll keep it short, sweet, and super valuable. In this episode, let's chat about fear of failure. The fear of failure can paralyze us and prevent us from taking the risks necessary for business growth. It manifests as self-doubt and hesitation, and it can lead to missed opportunities. It might even be holding you back from even getting started. So let's talk about some ways to conquer this fear so that you can grow your business with confidence. Number 1, reframe failure as a learning opportunity. Change your perspective. Begin to view failure not as a setback, but as a valuable learning experience. Each failure provides insights that can guide your future decisions and actions. Document your learnings. Keep a journal or log of what didn't work and what you learned from each experience. This helps in tracking your growth and prevents you from repeating the same mistakes. Look at your shop stats. Look at previous listings that have been up for months at a time. Figure out what's working and what's not working, and then adapt. Celebrate learning. Cultivate a culture of celebrating the lessons learned from failures, just as you would celebrate successes. Number 2, start with small risks. Take incremental steps. Instead of making large, risky decisions like opening up your own website or trying to start with a bunch of inventory, this is one of the beauties of print on demand and why it is much lower risk with Etsy than it is with starting your own website and investing a lot more money up front. Instead of making large, risky decisions, start with small, manageable risks. This can help build your confidence and resilience over time. Test and iterate. Use a test and learn approach for new products or new niches or new design styles. Start with a small sample and trial run before fully committing and adjust based on feedback and results. Instead of creating 200 listings based around one design style, start with 15 to 20 in a niche and test it a few times. Then assess your data and adjust from there. Set realistic expectations. Understand that not every product or design or niche will be a hit. Setting realistic expectations can reduce the fear associated with potential failure. Number 3, develop a support system. Connect with peers. Engage with other Etsy sellers or entrepreneurs who can provide support, advice, and encouragement. Sharing experiences with others who understand your challenges can be incredibly reassuring. Seek mentorship. Find a mentor or coach who has experience in the print-on-demand world. Their insights and guidance can be invaluable in navigating the ups and downs of the business. Utilize online communities. Participate in online forums or social media groups related to Etsy and print-on-demand selling. These communities can offer practical advice, moral support, and a sense of belonging. Number 4, practice mindfulness and stress management. Incorporate mindfulness practices such as meditation or deep breathing into your routine to manage stress and anxiety. Or include physical exercise. Regular physical activity can help reduce stress and improve your overall mental well-being. And don't forget work-life balance. Ensure you have a healthy balance between work and personal life. Taking time to relax and enjoy hobbies can rejuvenate your mind and reduce the fear of failure. And finally, set flexible goals. Create an adaptable plan. Set goals that are flexible and can adapt to changing circumstances. This reduces the pressure of having to meet overly rigid targets. Focus on effort, not just outcome. Measure success based on the effort you put in, not just the outcomes. This is why I don't recommend that new sellers set sales goals because it creates too much focus around a specific outcome. One of my mantras is control your controllables. Focus on your efforts and what you can control. This shift in focus can reduce the fear associated with failing to achieve specific results. And then regularly reassess your goals and make adjustments as needed. This keeps your objectives relevant and attainable, reducing the fear of not meeting them. By implementing these strategies, you can gradually overcome the fear of failure, allowing you to take calculated risks and grow your Etsy print-on-demand business with confidence. Remember, fear of failure is a common experience for entrepreneurs in any industry, and learning to manage it is a key part of your professional development. I hope this has been helpful for you. If you want to learn more about my strategies for thriving in your print-on-demand business, make sure you've got the notifications turned on for my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my content. And in the meantime, be sure to check out my free print-on-demand masterclass in the description or via the dedicated playlist right here on my channel, as well as my time blocking series for an even deeper dive into the critical steps for success. Thanks for watching. I'm so glad you're here, and I'll see you in the next one.